Hi, today I'd like to give you a how-to prep your lemongrass before you use it in your cooking. It's a long, barky kind of plant. It's very characteristic in Thai cuisine, and you can use this in soups and stews and curries and even make teas with it. It is a member of the mint family, and it is a cousin of the ginger family. So let me show you how I do this here. First, I'm going to show you how I smash it. And this is how I would prep this if I'm going to use this in any kind of curries or stews or anything. So right on the very end here, I don't know if you can see it up close, but there's like a bit of a knobby part here. I'm going to cut that off, and I'm basically only going to use this part of the lemongrass stalk. I'm going to cut this off. It's very hard. So remember, when you're cutting, keep your fingers with your knife here. That's your guide. Straight down, cut that up, set that aside. Now there are a couple of layers of really thick stalk here, so you want to peel these off because it's really hard to eat this, or if any of these float into your soups or stews, you just don't want them there. I just peel that off. There we go. I'm going to trim a little bit more off of this. There we go. Now you want to smash this, so you need something that's quite heavy. I'm going to use my knife sharpener. And this is how you're going to use it in any of your soups or your stews. This is going to impart a really, really big flavor. It smells fantastic. It's really high in antioxidants, and it's also something that's very relaxing. If you have menstrual cramps, or if you have morning sickness, if you make a tea out of this, it's fantastic. Okay, so that's how you smash it for soups and stews. Now I'm going to cut this off again. Same thing. Set that aside. And I'm going to peel off these outer layers because they're really, really coarse. I'm going to show you how I'm going to chop this up now for making my curries. Cut a little bit more off here. There we go. I'm going to do the same thing. Back up. And now I'm going to just chop this. After you have this chopped, you can freeze it so it's always in your freezer whenever you need like a tablespoon or whatever in your recipe. See how I'm chopping it? My finger, my middle finger is my knife guide. My tip of my knife stays on the cutting board, and I just slice down. And that's it. This is lemongrass 2 ways. There are quite a few recipes I was surprised to see on the app, the Weight Watcher app, for cooking with lemongrass. I hope you give it a try. It really has a great flavor, and it's not so exotic as you think. I'm pretty sure you can find this at most mainstream grocery stores and also at Asian shops. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.